This is the Hemnes dresser with 8 drawers. First step is you build the sides. You're going to connect the widthwise frames. Then you're going to connect both sides to that. And it's on its side right now, but what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over. And this is actually the back, but I'm going to flip it around in the next picture coming up. So now this is the front. This is where the drawers go in. Put the top on, build the drawers. So you're going to build all drawers, put it in. What I can say is it was daunting seeing all the pieces on the floor, but once you get started, the instructions aren't that bad.